So hi, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see an awesome bike which is D-Express Metal bike. So this is a loader bike which is you can load on back and front also and the center also. I'll cover all the parts in this video. So hope you guys like this video. Okay, let's get into it.
So first of all, let's go for the height, width and breadth of this electric loader vehicle. So the length of the bike is 1654 mm and width of the bike is 725 mm and height of the bike is 1060 mm. So the model is metal model. So this is a loader bike, fully made for loading. So you can easily carry weights up to 250 kgs. I will cover that on the upcoming. So you can load on the side, both sides, and front and back. Every side you can load. And the designing of the electric vehicle is very good, guys. So this is a very superly designed electric vehicle which is made for loading. So let's go for the tires. Tires we have 3.00 10-inch tubeless tires. So on the back side you have drum brakes. So you can see it over here. On the front side you have disc brakes. So you can see the display quality, everything else on in the front. So front side you have double shock absorbers. So disc brake quality, everything else are very good. So let's go for the headlights. So for the headlights we have all LEDs, front and back all LEDs, high beam and low beam, everything else on the LEDs. LEDs are everything else are placed correctly, guys. So you can load on the front. So there is no there is full visibility. You can see it. So there is no license required for this bike. So let me turn on the indicators. So on the back side the indicator design is very good. On the front side also you can see it. So the indicator designs are very unique, guys. You can easily see it. So the seat quality, everything else are very good. This comes with two heights, 710 mm and 774 mm, two seat heights. You can see it. So the blue color model is slightly upper, that is a 774 mm model. So let me turn on the bike. So and see on the instrument console. So in it you have speedometers, battery percentage indicator, and A for the acceleration cut. So you have to press the brakes on the first time to raise the bike. So this is on power mode, eco mode. So this comes with the two modes. So you can easily see it. The speedometers, everything also very good, guys. So let's go for the handlebars. On the right side you have hazard lights. The high beam, low beam lights are on the left side. Right side you have the light switches. So hazard light, if you put the switch on, 4 LEDs will glow. You can see it. So this also has a power mode. So by pressing it you can go up to speed up to 35 and explain on the test side. So on the left hand side you have indicator switches, high beam, low beam switches, everything else on here on the left hand side, and horn switch also. So talking about the seat quality is very good, guys. You can easily sit 2 persons over here. You can easily attach the seat and go on. So the instrument console comes with adjustable. You can easily adjust the instrument console. So talking about the motor, this is a special motor, guys, which is BLDC motor, which made by Bosch. So everyone know about the Bosch company, which is very famous. So this is a German company. So this is a long life motor, guys. This comes with a very long. And talking about the stands, this comes with dual stand, center and side stand. So let me show you the total loading capacity of the bike. So let me unlock the side carriers. So you can see it. So left and right you can easily carry luggages. So up to 200 to 250 kgs company claim, but you can store up to 300 kgs. So this is including the driver. So you can load on the front also. So the light is perfectly placed under the loader. You can see it. So the suspension system of it is very good, guys. So this comes with a very strong suspension, telescopic and dual shock suspension. Reflect is over here also. So let's go for the footrest. The footrest quality, everything else are very good. You can easily put your foot over here, and there is a mobile charger option also available, which you can charge your mobile, and luggage carrier hooks. So front and side you can also carry your luggages. So the designing of the bike is U-shape, guys. there is easily, you can easily carry luggage on the front, back, center, any places you want, you can carry your luggages. So designing, everything else are manufactured in Japan, so you can fully test the bike. So the warranty of the bikes comes with 2 years warranty for the motor, and battery have 3 years warranty. So you also have touch light sensors which which will slightly touching your bike or vibrating it or moving it, the indicators will turn on. You can easily see it someone is trying to move your bike. So this bike has also another safety feature, guys. So let me turn on the bike. So this is on center stand. So if you raise the bike will not go on. So this is also additional safety feature. So if you press the brakes, so this is on ready mode, so goes to ready mode, so the bike will go on front. You can see the wheel spinning at the speed of 24 km per hour, and pressing the power mode switch, the bike goes up to 30 to 35 km per hour, but the speedometer readings only shows up to 24. You can see it. So by applying the front brake, you can also stop the back. So this is called a combi brake system. So the battery is located on the front. So I will remove the battery and show it to you. So you can easily remove it with a key. So you can see it. So I have removed it. So there are some attentions over here, you have to read it before removing it. So this cannot be removed by me only, guys. So as I am handling the cameras, so I have asked someone for help. So let them remove the battery and show it for you. So the battery is lithium ferrous phosphate battery, guys, available on 2 variants. One is 24Ah battery, another one is 30Ah battery. The 24 variant battery bike electric bike price comes with 80 to 84,000, and 30Ah battery comes around the price of 84 to 87,000. So we have removed the battery. So in that battery we have QR code which you can scan the battery, and you can also there is an app for that, guys. So you can download that app and you can control it. I will explain in the last. So the battery has two charging ports. You can easily remove the battery, and MCB on the last, so you can easily use it. So coming to the charger, this has a 60 volt 7 amp charger with short circuit protection, input voltage of 180 to 240 watt. So this is a fast charging, guys. And coming back to the QR, here you can see a mobile app downloaded for the specific number. So specific bikes, specific number. So you can see the battery percentage, everything else you can see on the app. So this is an additional safety feature, guys. So it is very easy to close the battery and put on the lock. So you can see it. So it is very easy, guys. So mileage range I will tell in the last while test riding. So for the weight and traffic quality, I will tell about the mileage. So this has a key lock. You can lock the bike. So you can see the bike is unlocked. So if you try to someone try to move your bike, this gives alarms, different types of alarm, very different kinds of it. So you can see the wheel is moving front and back. So you can see the wheels moving. So if you unlock the bike will go on, and it also has a remote on. If you press the button, the bike will go on. So you can clearly see it without the key. So if you put the key, the bike will not go off. You have to remotely off. So I will show you. And by pressing a button, the bike is on off. See, the bike's turn off. So this is the main safety features, guys. So let's test it the bike. So the key is on. You can see it. So this is on A mode. If you press the brake, this is on ready mode. So ready to go. And talking about the mileage differs with the loading capacity and traffic areas, guys. If your traffic is high, mileage gives up to low. So I will explain. And 24H 80H battery, there are 2 variants. So I will start with the 24 at 50 kgs. So at the 50 kgs low traffic, the mileage gives up to 90 km per charge, and 30H gives up to 120 km per charge. And medium traffic at 25H battery gives up to 80 km per charge, and 30H battery gives up to 105. And coming to the 150 kgs load, so at the traffic at low, so it gives up to 75 km per charge and 100 km per charge, and 24 and 30H battery. and traffic at the medium, so it gives up to 65 km per charge on 24H and 87 km per charge on the 30H battery. So let's go for the 200 kg weight, including the driving persons, guys. Is this mileage including the driving persons? You can check it out on the official website. I will give you the link in the description. So at 200 kg weight, at low traffic, the mileage gives up to 67 at 24H battery and 98 to 30H battery, and medium traffic gives up to 57 per charge on 24H battery and 77 per charge on 30H battery. So on that high traffic with 200 kg load, the mileage gives up to 48 on 24H battery, guys. This is very important, listen clearly. So on the 30H battery gives up to 64. The actual mileage of full load capacity is 64. If you put extra load up to 250 kg, the mileage will automatically drop. And talking about 100 kg, guys, this is very important. So mainly many persons carry around 100 kg. So at the low traffic, the 24H battery gives up to 82 and 30H battery gives up to 110. And medium traffic, it gives up to 72 on 24H battery and 97 on 30H battery. And the high traffic, it gives up to 63 km per charge on 24H battery and 84 km per charge on 30H battery. So these all calculated on the low mode, eco mode. So on the power mode, the mileage gives drops up to 5 to 10. So this can be explained on the pressing and speed and the time you have taken to time on the power mode. So this is very clear, guys. So these are the specifications of the bike. So hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. If you're watching this channel new, so don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and family who wants to buy an electric bike. So see you on another vlog. Until then, bye.